Season 6 here at Hunter Mountain. Quite peaceful today because there's not a lot of people, so it's a great time to be out. There's some fogs rolling in, creating nice view, and it's just overall, I love when it's like this weather where it's foggy. Not great for content, for video, but great for the soul. Feels like I'm in heaven, up in the clouds, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, this is Hunter Mountain, early season, and I hope you guys come check it out. And I'll see you in Sleeps. Peace. Alright, day 2 for my skiing season. Still here at Hunter. This is my 4th run, actually. I wasn't able to. Wow, sticky snow. So I wasn't able to take videos of the prior runs because it was just drizzly, cloudy. Feel like there's not a lot of value to show there. So here we are. The sun is at least out a little bit. And here we are. This is Minneconka. First run for me on this trail for the season. So nice conditions actually. Practice. Are you alright? Anything hurt? Anything hurt?
Huh?
Anything hurt?
No, but I have a hard time getting up.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to try to put the skis on.
Let's see. Ooh. Yeah.
The head wall there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, early season Minneconka is usually very tricky. Yeah, it should be good. Okay.
I don't know. See if I can get it on.
Oh, hold on. Yep, that should be good. Oop. All right. So I don't wanna. Probably have sharp edges. So I just want to help you out with the pole so get stable there. All right, try it out. Oop.
Something going on with the binding.
I think the binding's all right.
I think the back.
Just dig it into the snow, like at an angle. What's that? Oh no, that's fine. So that's already release. You just have to like. There you go. Should give you some tension. All right, try it out. There we go. Okay. Same thing with the other one. All right. Whew.
Thanks so much.
No problem. Yeah, early season over here is really tricky.
I didn't expect the bottom of that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw like there's a little bit of a dip there after that head wall.
I don't know.
All right, everything good?
I stopped up there and under.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, thanks so much.
How about the feet? Everything okay?
As far as I know.
Okay. All right, stay safe.
Yeah.
All right. So, always am one who is always available for a helping hand, especially with folks that I feel like need help. The dishes is actually good. Hey guys, you waiting for someone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I had to help him out. He should be good.
All the help you need is not available.
All right, stay safe, guys. Take care. Okay, so I gotta focus on my own skiing because it's early season. I still am a little bit rusty. Woo! So the only thing in me is now my left foot balance is out of shape. This usually scares the hell out of me here. This is a really nice hit. I'll take it easy. Do my turns. Just balance on the outside foot. There we go.
Alright, and there you have it, day 2 in the books. 10 runs this day. Unfortunately, this is the only one that I recorded since the weather was drizzly and foggy, so it wasn't really great for content. But felt good though, because managed to help out a fellow skier as well. So yeah, hope you guys like the content, and I'll see you on the slopes. Peace.